Are your Excel charts embarrassing you in meetings while everyone else's look sharp and professional? In the next 60 seconds, I will show you the exact 5-step process that Excel's default chart style is a disaster. It has a gray background, cluttered grid lines, a distracting legend box, and harsh default colors that hurt. Start by clicking on your chart to select it. Then right-click the gray plot area and choose Format Plot Area. Set the fill to no fill, so your background becomes clean and white. Next, now apply the designer color rule. Use one strong accent color for your main data series and a light gray for any secondary or comparison series. Right-click, look at the transformation. White background, no grid lines, clean colors, and data labels placed directly on each bar so your audience reads the numbers instantly without. You just learned the 5-step professional chart formatting workflow. Remove the background, kill the grid lines, strip the border, set intention.